was chosen here, but they're all fine. Yeah. Okay.
We have 5 verbs, and it's eat, sleep, love, travel, and meditate.
Oh!
It's quite simple. So.
Meditate is the right one.
Okay.
So meditate is better. Who would guess? Okay. What about, so sleep, can you repeat?
Eat, sleep, love, travel.
That was the only one, but yeah. What about you?
Try to be optimistic.
Yeah, okay.
Being optimistic, then trying to relax.
Yeah, and I'll like try to find your stress release button, like in terms of like meditation or doing sports.
Then socializing, with your friends, family, or whatever, and to have enough conversation.
Communicate
Yeah.
your thoughts, your feelings. Let it out.
Okay.
The left is setting goals.
Yeah,
Setting goals.
Yeah.
Okay.
Trying
You got
to-
one. You said doing sports,
Yeah.
exercise. I think that's good. That's good. Really. Yay. Good. What about you?
Okay, love, eat healthily, work out, think positive, and spice up your life.
Okay. Eat healthily. That could apply. Eat healthily. Eat healthy food. Then. Can you repeat the other food?
So yeah, work out, think positive, and spice up your life.
Okay. So you got 3 of 5. Congratulations. That's fine. You'll see in a minute what they suggest. I shortened the list. He had 10 pieces of advice, and I had to, shorten it for our purposes to 5. But I invite you to read the whole article. You've got the link at the end. Okay, I'll give you the handouts, and you have them here. So I give you a minute to discuss. I give you a minute to discuss the 5 choices with your neighbor. Why do you think he chose this 5? Okay, I'll just give you the handouts over. Please pass it on. And this one for you. And how many of them do you have? Thanks. And this one is for you.
Thank
Are you making video as well, or just taking?
Don't spoil it.